In this video, we are going to see how to enable Find My Device option on any Android phone. If you are using Android phone and if you would like to enable Find My Device option, just get into settings first. If you're going to settings, you can straight away get into option security. Security is the option which you have to go for setting that one, and thereafter go to advanced settings. Once you are into advanced settings, just tap on device admin apps gently, which you will find two options here. One is authenticator and the second one is find my device. Find my device is the option. After enabling this one, you can do several things here. By activating the admin app will allow the Google Play Store's app to perform the following operations. The following are these things: delete all data, change the screen lock the screen, disable some screen lock features. So these are the things which you can straight away do by just enabling Find My Device on your mobile. That's all from this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel.